Hi there guys, welcome to the fourth episode in the mini project car, which is currently behind me. As you'll probably see Fab's arse crack as he's bending over working on the little mini project car. So today we have been stripping it out. As you can see behind me, we have been completely removing the interior, ready for some bucket seats and just ready to make it sound crazy inside, and just sort of a bit of weight reduction as well. So we're going to be running two bucket seats, lightweight bucket seats, no interior pretty much apart from the dashboard and the dials and the steering wheel. We're going to obviously uprate the steering wheel at some point and put some cool little like Momo sort of steering wheel on there. So yeah, so we've been working on that today. Another thing that we have been working on as well is the brakes. We've just installed drilled and grooved discs, and we have also uprated to green stuff pads as well.
So as you can see, hopefully behind there you can see the new drilled and grooved discs, and you'll see the green stuff pads on it as well, and that looks pretty cool. When we get some new alloys, we're looking at some Team Dynamic alloys with some sticky sort of road legal and track sort of tyres, but that will look really nice with those discs sort of shining through it really.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey, you me clear. What's up, Bodie? What's happening? What's up, Sean Paul? What's happening? Hey, now ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. Turn this thing on out. Now let me see everybody do this. Hey, let's go.
Also busy taking the engine apart. As you can see, we're going to be fitting an induction kit probably at some point this week, which will sit down there, and we're really looking forward to just keeping progressing with this little project for us, and it's really exciting. We're going to be fitting the exhaust hopefully this coming Friday, so that will be part 5. So please like and subscribe to our channel and keep up to date with the build. See you soon guys, bye.